Are you looking for the best tap and die set? Here we will break down the top 8 tap and die sets on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Gearwrench 3887. The Gearwrench 3887 set comes with no less than 75 taps and dies pieces made from durable carbon steel. You get 34 taps and 34 dies in this set. Moreover, it employs both the metric and SAE measurement system for flexibility. Best of all, as a complementary accessory, you also get a heavy-duty screwdriver. If you need high-quality threading tools for day-to-day use, the Gearwrench 3887 is a good tap and die set for the money. The carry case is made from a hard plastic that will allow you to easily carry and store your tap and die pieces. You also get a heavy-duty and comfortable T-wrench handle with this purchase. This model comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. At number 2. Gearwrench 114-piece tap and die set. The Gearwrench 82812 114-piece set is the best choice for anyone who wants to be able to create or repair just about any nut or bolt on the market today. It comes with 2 great ratcheting T-wrenches, which have a 5-degree ratcheting arc, which means you can make meaningful progress even in tight spaces where you don't have a lot of space to move around. It also comes in both plug and taper configurations, giving you the option to use whichever option is better suited to the task at hand. The taps and dies are made from carbon steel, which is one of the most durable and strongest metals available on the market, making this set a great choice for people who want tools that will last a long time. The only problem with this set is that it comes with an underwhelming, cheap-feeling case, but that's a flaw worth overlooking if you want to get the best tap and die set on the market. At number 3. Neiko 00916 ASAE Pro Grade Large Diameter Titanium Tap and Die Set. The Neiko tap and die set that includes 45 pieces. Again, it is a smaller option to consider, but the quality and value for money can often be the key to helping you choose the right tap and die set for you. The titanium edges help to retain its sharpness for a precise cut every time. It will help you to quickly repair any stripped threads with this simple, to-use tap and die set. This particular kit is constructed from professional-grade steel that lasts throughout multiple uses for ultimate durability. The kit can efficiently repair your screws instead of spending time. Ultimately, this one can often be a great choice due to the quality of each mechanism as well as the overall cost for the tap and die kit. Again, the only drawback for this smaller option is the packaging and case storage, though a lot of people have stated that this tap and die kit has been more than enough to complete the job. At number 4. Gearwrench 3880 Tap and Die Ratcheting Wrench Set. This product from Gearwrench is another high-rated tap and die set. The set comes with a spring-loaded cap, which allows you to release the large tap adapters easily without a problem. In addition to this, the manufacturer has also added an auto-locking feature, which makes it safe to use. There is also a twist-lock guided system, which reduces the die guard back walk, and will make your work much easier. The adapter in this tap and die set works on hex and round shaped dies. With a 5-degree ratcheting arc on the reversible lever, the efficiency of the tools is enhanced. The case is made out of strong blow mold, the tools are made of carbon steel, and they are strong enough to be used. The manufacturer offers a lifetime warranty as well. At number 5. Lang Tools 2581 Thread Restore Tap and Die Set. The Lang Tools is a 26-piece tap and die set particularly designed for car restoration. The set comes in SAE measurements and includes fine and coarse threaded taps. It is a small kit for thread restoration, is definitely handy to have in the home, and worth considering when looking for a tap and die set. The most important factor is ultimately the quality, and the tools in this kit definitely tick all the boxes in this department. On the downside, once you remove the tools, you need to find somewhere safe to store them or risk losing them one at a time. The set comes with total 26 material including 6 fine thread tap, 6 coarse thread tap, 6 of each type of die. At number 6. Efficere PT002 Tap and Die Set. Efficere PT002 Tap and Die Set are perfect for designing nuts and screws and for repairing the damaged threads. Asking about the materials, you can rank all the top stubborn materials like silver, brass, carbon steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and even copper. Thanks to the robust features, the tap lowers down the capping and delamination of the surfaces, and increasing the opening space allows air to escape more easily. This kit is handy when operating on different rods and wire piping. Key features of this set are covers both adjustable handle and T-handle tap wrench, plus a flexible die wrench. The custom machine teeth equipped with Rockwell 60HRC for an efficient threading. The tapered structure makes threading easy to start and prevents threading. Has a large, sturdy carrying case with inside molded and a pocket for each tool in the package. At number 7. Sealey 40-piece Tap and Die Set. This 40-piece tap and die set made by Sealey is one of the best tap and die sets on the market. It provides a quality selection of pieces and comes at a reasonable price. The set features split dies with machined lead-ins for ease of use. It also includes a tap wrench, T-bar tap wrench, die holder, screwdriver, and thread gauge. The set comes in a nice sheet steel box with a blow molded tray. The metric alloy steel taps and dies are of good quality and robust enough for most and car maintenance jobs. The die holder features a self-centering mechanism for straight and accurate threads. Also, it includes 2 taps for each size, a taper tap and a plug tap, and the pieces are nicely finished. Overall, this set is robust, comprehensive, and offers excellent value for money. At number 8. Irwin Tap and Die Set. The Irwin Tap and Die Set has a total of 117 pieces that full of different tools such as tap wrenches, screw extracts, and many more. All these are of carbon steel that the company assures are of high quality. The product also boasts of specifications that cover specific tasks such as hand threading. To ensure that customers get their money's worth, the manufacturers made sure to include all equipment needed for both essential threading and hand threading.